Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOCOM portable wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, or any kind of issues like this where they're not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you just want to, for whatever reason, wipe all of the Bluetooth history off of them so that you can go ahead and, set them up as a brand new set of headphones coming out of the box. This will do it. All we need to do is make sure we have a decent charge on these headphones and then make sure they're turned on. And once they're on with a decent charge, we're just going to come in and press and hold this power/Bluetooth button for more than 8 seconds, just keeping an eye on this indicator light here. Just hold it, and once this indicator light flashes red for 5 seconds, that means the reset is complete. You can release the button and then go ahead and set these headphones up as a brand new set of headphones coming out of the box.